Hey guys, this is supposed to be an imitation of a minigun. It's from Dark Zone. Cycles through. Actually took this chain and broke it so it looks more realistic at the end. There's